Hello, hi children. Welcome to our program. I am going to do 10th standard SSLC lesson, the concept, because most of the students not yet understood due to Corona. They have not attended the class properly, I think so. Please listen this lesson. I am going to do briefly, but anyhow you have to follow the textbook. Let you understand this lesson very shortly. This is a story about a boy, especially about his sister, how she indulges his desires, that satisfies his desires, as doctors suggested. What are all the deeds she did in order to fulfill his brother's desire? Once what happens in an apartment in Bombay, a 16-year-old girl was looking at the newspaper. In that newspaper, there was an announcement about Ravi Shankar's program. Ravi Shankar was one of the sitarists. So, what happens? The boy who slept close by suddenly got up. What is that Ravi Shankar's program? He gets up using his elbow because he was ill. A mother suddenly make him to fall down on the bed, and she murmurs prayer, looking the idols on the shelf nearby corner. The boy on the bed suddenly wishes to see Ravi Shankar and hear him. He says, "It is the chance of the life. It is the chance of the life." But mother suggests him, "Don't worry about the program. It is not the last chance. He may come many times. You take rest." He gets trouble to breathe. Cough comes. So nearby there is a cylinder, oxygen cylinder. It was fixed. The next what happens? Their sister was worried. His sister was worried about his brother. How to help him, how to fulfill his desires. The doctors already suggested that what are all the things he wants, it must be supplied. What are all the things he likes, you get it, give to him. What are all the things he wanted to see, let him see. But doctor did not disclose. The doctors did not disclose the matter that he was going to die soon. So, but one thing about the boy, he was the fastest runner. He was a sitar player. Many times he was beyond his master's talent. Master was appreciating him. In everything, he was above his sister. Poor boy was suffering from cancer. So, his sister goes to Sushila, your aunt, mother, sister. Her aunt Sushila suggests Smita, his sister, please, you just relax your mind. You just go for a walk. So goes to a park for the walking. There people were running, doing yoga, feeding ducks, and many people eating clams. But these things she was not interested. She was deeply thinking and going. Finally, she got an idea with happiness on her face. She rapidly comes to home and asks her mother permission to go concert with his father. Permission was granted. Father took the ticket. They attended the program. When the Ravi Shankar came with Tabla master, a big crowd clapped as like thunder. Ravi Shankar came to the conductor program. People expressed their surprise. And Smita came to Ravi Shankar. A big mustache man was there. He was announcing about, describing Ravi Shankar. He told Smita, don't disturb, don't disturb. But still, she didn't stop there. Go directly to Ravi Shankar. She tells everything about his brother. The Ustad Sahib, he was one of the tabla master, always with Ravi Shankar. Wherever he attended the program, he was with him. He, without any hesitation, he says, okay, we will come to your house tomorrow. Hearing this, Ravi Shankar says, okay, granted, we are there tomorrow. The next day, when they came, people, neighbors, Sushila, all were surprised because these people, great people, had come to their house. Directly these people goes to Sushila's house, knocked the door was opened, the boy was sleeping, nearby there was Divana. On the Divana, both of them sat, program started. The boy felt very happy. His desire was satisfied. His indulgence was fulfilled. Then slowly, his breath goes out. My dear students, in this story, more than the boy, the role of his sister is one of the focusing one. You may ask why it is so. The boy is the important one. But here, I do make you to understand how our sister took his brother's desire as a major thing. He was always telling, it is the last chance in life, it is the last chance in life. Chance of the life, chance of the life. So that word was echoing in her mind often. So she wanted to fulfill his desire. So that she decided to go Ravi Shankar and requested him to come, and in this way fulfilled his brother's desire. One of the things, the boy of 15 years old who was expert in all the field, talented boy, at his young age, God had taken his life. It is a tragic story that we have to be cried. Sometimes I am getting really tears. Inside I am crying, but I can't express in front of you because, this is one really happened incident here we are telling as a story. So I think you have understood the lesson. My dear students, this explanation is briefly given. You have to follow the textbook, understand the story properly in detail, and write the exam properly with your own idea and get the good marks. Wish you all best of luck. My dear students, I don't request you, please subscribe, please like video. If you understand the lesson, subscribe it. If you like it, subscribe. I will be hopeful. Thank you.